In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in Framer AI. To get started, head over to Framer. This is where you'll build your site, and once you're inside the platform, you'll be able to use its AI tools to speed up the website creation process. If this is your first time using Framer, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where your projects and tools are located. Once you're in Framer, open an empty project if you already have one available, or create a new project to start from scratch. This gives you a clean workspace, which is ideal when you want the AI to help shape the structure and design of your website. Starting with an empty canvas also makes it easier to focus on the idea you want to build without distractions from existing elements. After your project is open, click on Agent. This is the part of Framer that allows you to generate and shape your website using a text prompt. Think of it as the AI assistant inside the editor that helps turn your idea into a visual starting point. Next, type in your prompt and press Enter to begin. Be as clear and descriptive as possible when writing your prompt, because the quality of your result often depends on how specific your instructions are. For example, you can describe the type of website you want, the style you're aiming for, the sections you need, and the overall tone or brand feel. The more direction you give, the more useful the generated result will be. Once you submit the prompt, Framer AI will start building out your website based on what you asked for. From there, you can review the result and continue refining it inside the project. That's the basic workflow for creating a website in Framer AI, and it's a fast and beginner-friendly way to turn an idea into a live design.